Welcome back! In our last video, we discussed about the carbon footprints and we came across some queries about the carbon cycle.
Yes, and in this video, let us discuss and understand about the natural cycles of the Earth, which includes the carbon cycle.
Did you know the Earth has various natural cycles? The major ones are
the carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle,
oxygen cycle, the water cycle,
rock cycle or nutrient cycle,
phosphorus cycle,
and the sulfur cycle. But in this video, we're going to learn about the carbon cycle. So let's get into it.
As we have told earlier, the carbon cycle is a natural cycle of the Earth. It is when the carbon components of the Earth are used and replenished in an endless cycle. This way, carbon is used and replenished too.
The carbon cycle consists of two parts, the biological carbon cycle and the geological carbon cycle. Let's start with the biological carbon cycle. The biological carbon cycle can take from a few days to a few years. Carbon is present everywhere. Plants take in carbon present in the air, which is carbon dioxide, and use it for photosynthesis to make food called glucose. In photosynthesis, with oxygen and the carbon is present in glucose.
Herbivores, which are animals which eat only plants, like cows, which eat these plants and they get the glucose present in the plants along with the carbon in it. During respiration, the animal or the plant breaks down the glucose, releasing the carbon present in it as carbon dioxide. After the animal or the plant dies, it decomposes and releases the carbon in it. This is how the carbon is restored in the biological cycle.
The geological carbon cycle takes a lot of time, usually for millions of years. This starts when the carbon in the air mixes with the rainwater to form weak carbonic acid and weathers the minerals on the Earth's surface to create carbonate ions. These ions then get carried away to water bodies and eventually into the ocean where they sink and settle down. With continued deposition of such minerals, they form rocks like limestone.
The oceanic crust keeps moving, and these rocks may slip into such openings and melt due to the magma. When it melts, the carbon dioxide in these rocks gets released into the atmosphere. These rocks may even find their way through volcanic eruptions and again get released into the atmosphere. This is the geological carbon cycle.
Now you know how carbon gets used and restored.
Wait for more videos about the cycles of the Earth.
Be happy and
Stay safe.
bye!